Hello friends, we're back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at SaveMac. SaveMac is quite a popular companion to Audiomack, especially common around the Audiomack users. So what SaveMac does is it enables you to play any song that you download in Audiomack with a player of your choice. Okay, so to get down with this, just open your Play Store. The first thing you need is the Audiomack app, of course. Install your Audiomack. So the goodness with SaveMac is, even though you uninstall Audiomack, you can still have your audios that you downloaded in Audiomack and be able to play them in any media player of your choice. So to use SaveMac, you simply download a song in Audiomack, any song, just download it for offline usage. Hit download, and once it goes to offline, then we can go ahead and download SaveMac and see how it works. So open your Play Store. Let's install SaveMac. So just search SaveMac. There are a number of Audiomack song savers, but SaveMac makes it like almost 90% easy to save your songs of Audiomack. So open this, and so the first thing you see when you open SaveMac, once it's loaded, is a list. This is a list of the songs that you downloaded in Audiomack for offline play. So you see most of them are in number format. This is because Audiomack encrypts them. So to be able to know which song this is, SaveMac allows you to play the song and name it. So these are the songs I downloaded in Audiomack. So once I click on them, the song plays.
Yeah.
And I'm able to know what song it is.
We got the
You can either check your Audiomack just to confirm the name of the song, or if you've already mastered the song or want to give it another name, you can go with that. So to save this song, you just enter the title here.
We got the drinks so nice, the girls alright. And if you got a problem, homie, please don't fight. Yeah, I put my glass to the sky, and the streets got me high. Man, I swear nobody
So
do
you
it
save
like
the
us.
song
Yeah, we keep it fresh,
with
keep
the name
it
of the
fly,
artist
G
and
till we
the
die.
album
Man,
it's
I swear
from, or
nobody do it
any
like
name
us.
that you
Got
feel
the
like.
drinks so nice, the girls alright.
So this is Drinks on Ice by Team of Chief. And to save this, just hit on save. This will save the song to your music directory, and you are able to play it with any media player of your choice.
Why you pissed off? Step the night with a split that we left off. Man, we about to make the world spin. So listen, homie, throw me some more. Hey, I'm all alone with my
So the song has been saved,
girlfriend.
and
So
we're
I
able
got
to
no
find it
feelings
in
to
our
go.
phone. So let's
You know
quickly
we
just
the
pause the
girls
play.
all.
Let's go open a file manager and go to the music directory and see if the song we just saved is there. So I'll go to music, and here we go. Drinks on Ice.
We on point. Bow profile.
So we're able to play this song with any media player of our choice. Just click on it and choose a media player of your choice. Let's go with MX.
Yeah.
Okay, so there we go. The song
Wall
is playing,
Street up in here,
and the
you
name,
got
the details we had entered on the song are there on top. So this is how easy it is to save a song with SaveMac. So you'll find, let's go back to SaveMac. So I should mention this app has got some ads. If you don't like ads, you can always go pro by purchasing SaveMac Pro at only $1. So this one has got some extra features. Yeah, and the size is only 1.6. So even the smallest phone can have access to this SaveMac, and you should be able to enjoy the full features of SaveMac without ads. Okay, so let's go back. So you see some songs actually have the details already collected for you. The only thing you have to do is hit save, and it saves to your music directory, and you should be able to play it with any media player of your choice. Okay, so this is about SaveMac. If you want to save your Audiomack songs, please download it and give a good rating if you like it.